Listen carefully. 16th question. Most important question, little bit bigger question. This type of questions may come in the exam. Because if you observe, what is the question? Read the question first. Photoelectric experiment are performed using three different photometals or metal plates. What are the three different
Q and R.
metals? P, Q, and R. There are three different metals. P is maybe for potassium, sodium, rubidium.
Okay.
Potassium, sodium,
So nu1,
rubidium,
nu2, nu3.
francium. All we have in the universe is potassium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. These are the only materials on which we can do photoelectric effect. We cannot do photoelectric effect using copper, iron, and all those type of metals. Only
Yes.
on these materials we can do photoelectric effect. So maybe one of them is sodium, potassium, rubidium. Let us assume like that. Having different work functions are given. What are the work functions? Phi of the first phi means work function of potassium or sodium is how much? 2 electron volts. Then secondly, the work function of Q. No, first one is P, right? I wrote Q. First one itself is P. P is work function of P they gave, Q they gave, and R they have given. 2, this is 2.5, and this is 3 electron volts. All are in electron volts. Work function is always written in electron volts. We never write that in joules and all other units. A
Okay.
light beam of wavelength, three light beams are there. Three light beams, different colors. Okay. When we say light, different colors of light are incident. First one is having a different color. Third one
So
is
what's
having
an
a
IV graph?
yes.
What's an IV graph?
What say?
What's an IV graph?
I will tell you. I will tell you. Wait. So different colors are given. Colors of lights are represented in this question as frequencies 550 nanometers. The
So
other
the
one
answer
is
is just a quick, sir, just a second.
yeah.
I think the answer might be C because work function of R is like greater than work
That's
function
what
of
I
Q,
told
which is
you. Never guess answers. We have to do problems. We should not guess answers. By
but
this
from
way,
all the data that is given, you
from
can
the
put
data
them
you
in
can't.
like
It's a big question. I told you, no. It's a very big question. It needs 2 pages to solve down. We can't guess anything from this data. We have to solve the problem. It's a very big question. This is the only big question actually, in fact. We have to solve
oh, okay.
what are solving is there.
Like in this chapter,
Yeah?
you mean the only big question in this
Yeah. In
chapter,
this
or
chapter, this is because it's a easy question, but big question because it takes 2 pages to solve.
oh, okay. But I don't think they'll ask questions like this in NEET because it's
Yeah, they will
impossible
ask
to do
questions like
something.
these only in need. Because
Oh,
there is nothing much to use your mathematics. Here, no mathematics in this question. So, so these are the different frequencies they give, different work functions they given. Now, understand the question. With equal intensities, all of them have intensities same. I1
I1
is
is
equal
so this
to
is the second graph, sir. This is the second graph.
no.
What?
Second
But in the second
intensities.
graph,
Yeah,
I1
correct,
is
correct.
equal
Second
to
graph.
I2.
Second graph is the same intensities. No,
Yeah,
all the
this is
intensities
the
are
second.
same with equal intensity. Second graph.
Yeah.
Absolutely correct. So, but you still don't guess out anything. Okay, we have to do it.
Okay.
Right. So now I will tell you about IV graph. They plotted on x-axis something and on y-axis something. X-axis they took potential difference. On y-axis they have plotted the current. I means current, V means potential difference. Okay. So then what they got is we're going to do this numerical. Okay. Did you copy this? I have to go to the next page.
Yeah, you can go to the next page. It's fine.
So I'll just drop this part. So what we're going to do in this problem is, first we are going to find out the incident wavelengths are given, right? From the incident wavelengths, we will find out the corresponding, what is called as the energy. From the incident wavelength, we'll find out the corresponding energy. What is the energy? H C by lambda. Is it or not? Which you did already, you
Yes,
did it
sir.
earlier, if you remember. Hc by lambda, Hc by lambda. For this lambda 1, we have to find out the incident energy. We have to find out incident energy for this lambda 1, for this lambda 2, for this lambda 3. So Hc by lambda 1, you have to find out for first wavelength. Then we have to check whether it is greater than this or greater than this or greater than this. That is how we have to start the problem. Okay.
Okay.
So first one, H is how much? H means 6.625 into 10 power minus 34. C value is how much? 3 into 10 power 8, that much you know. Divided by lambda is how much? 550 nanometers, 10 power minus 9. But I told you, we will get this in joules. We have to convert into electron volts. So what we have to do? Divide by 1.6 into 10 power minus 90. Is it or not?
Yes.
Now, this solving you have to do. You will get a value for that. Can you do the solving?